All right, my people, and welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something, still on the matter, my people. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting the be, exactly waiting the people them they talk about. Yeah, so now you don't reach the level where they say all the Yoruba people go open eye for others, Hausa and the Fulani people. In fact, they call themselves Hausa Fulani, but we they call them, we know them say them be Fulani people. Now many things that they happen, many things that they jar right onto waiting the level where happen for inside the Lagos market. Waiting happen, my brother, my sister. This one now another way we be say they won't take cost bege for inside the Lagos. They won't enter Yoruba land for Lagos now. You know many people don't talk say Lagos they secured, but with waiting they happen now, my brother, my sister. All they say Fulani people, then they find way to take enter inside the Lagos fully. Now with the news we be say they reach us, I know say many of una go don't see that video we be say don't go viral onto the level say the Hausa people and the Yoruba people they started to they fight themselves for inside the Lagos market. And then now waiting they say cause the quarrel. I know say that one they just use that one take a form like say and I ain't cause a quarrel, I ain't be the thing we make them the verse. But my brother, my sister, he that is wise must be wise. Now these people, according to the news way reach us, so then say na Baba Ijebu where then go play na in cause a trouble. You can imagine Yoruba man they play Baba Ijebu, Igbo man when they play Baba Ijebu, Hausa himself too can't say in one day play Baba Ijebu. I don't understand. Now as it be so, I don't know the person will get that shop of Baba Ijebu where then they operate in the first place. Me, I don't understand. But as it be, they say this one happen for inside the Lagos market where then go play Baba Ijebu. Fine, we know say everybody need to make money. But now the way where the whole thing they go, I think the Yoruba people need to wake up. Yes, they need to wake up. This Fulani people, they no be people where they say then go fit stay with us. There no be people where we say that go fit stay with the Yoruba. No, say we don't talk this 10 times without a number. Anytime we say Fulani people they the midst of any tribe, the tribe they need to wake up. That's why we they want all those people where we say they even go they use their money go they marry Fulani come inside Yoruba land. All these people we need to be aware of these people, most especially those ones where we say they go even carry their own money. They call themselves Yoruba. Make I tell you now, Yoruba gangan na be the problem of Yoruba. Most especially those ones where we say they go carry their money, go marry these Fulani people come say they love them. Now lie you, all those people make una run for those kind Yoruba person. If possible, make them pursue those kind Yoruba people come out for Yoruba land. Because them be akpanyo, them be traitors. Why you go carry your money go say you won't go marry Fulani person come Yoruba land, so that at the end of the day waiting what happen if they don't born finish they can't take over, they can't they say now for their fatherland that in the day no be so. Now this gbege where they say happen for this Lagos market, they say na Baba Ijebu na in cosam just Baba Ijebu. Waiting Hausa man, Fulani man they find for where then they play Baba Ijebu. Say this one win 10 or 200 na me win, no be you winning, na me winning, na maybe this, na me give you number, no be you give number. Now through me you take winning, me I win, you no call all those kind nonsense thing. Now ain't be get start before they know wetin they happen, they don't put fire. For inside the place, as we know, before we know wetin they happen, fire don't they jump from one place to another. Another strong one where they can't talk or say what happen, where everybody can't they chocolize it. Now all these Fulani people, all the Fulani Hausa, according to waiting, they call themselves. Now they stand up, go carry their dagger. They started to the shuku Yoruba people. As then the shuku Yoruba people, they think they enter. Now so the Yoruba people self on their own, then wake up, then go carry their own or bear also. Now in Yoruba too, then the shuku Hausa. As Yoruba the shuku Hausa, you know they enter. But as Hausa the shuku Yoruba, if they enter, if they penetrate, like say their body na poly bag. My brother, my sister, waiting they happen. Shebi you see what thing we they talk about? all dis Fulani people wey dey inside the Lagos now, I no know where dem for go dey carry all of them come. Dem don dey pack themselves for enter one by one, and then as the whole thing be now, they say na for inside the inside the market na im dem wan start their own. From inside market they go come start to dey enter people town one by one. My brother, my sister, hey, we need to wake up with the thing wey be say dey happen now. Everybody need to wake up because these people now, with the level wey be say they wan take enter inside the Yoruba land finish, na different manner, different level na im dem dey use. See now, the shuku Yoruba people, e enter, Yoruba people shook them, e no enter. Wetin this one tell you? This one don tell you say all those Fulani people, they don prepare themselves down. They know say they wan cause gbege. So all of them, all those people wey you dey see wey dey ride okada my brother, my sister, all those ones wey dey ride okada, e don reach time wey be say dem go dey search all of them, go dey check where dem dey sleep for night. In fact, if possible sef, make dem ban all of them, make dem comot for inside the Lagos business center. Yes, because these people, they get plan for Yoruba land. Make everybody, in fact, I don't know, but the truth of the matter now be say make everybody go back to in state, because these people, their wahala, e don too much. E don too much. Now see wetin happen. The shuku Yoruba person, e no enter. Yoruba person shook them. The shuku Yoruba person, e dey enter anyhow. Yoruba people can't shook them, e no come enter. Meaning they don't prepare for this war. As they go, so if you still dey out there, you dey talk of say na one Nigeria na im go do am, then you are on your own. All our Yoruba leaders, all those ones wey still dey shout say na restructuring dem want, all those ones, thank God say the Yoruba youth, the strong Yoruba youth don come outside say these people, they know they represent us in any manner. Say these people, they know they represent us in any way. As it be so, make them go their separate ways. Make them go their separate ways. So we dey talk about all this Afenifere people. Say make them just go their separate ways. Make them leave Yoruba people alone, because they know they represent the Yoruba in any way. All this one will come happen again for inside Lagos market. Waiting the Afenifere come outside, can't talk nothing. Nothing wey dem talk, but if you don reach say they wan chop money, they will come say then they represent the Yoruba people. Now the Yoruba people don wise. They don talk say this Afenifere people, I beg you, we no know them. They are not representing us in any way. Wọ́n represent wa nínú ọ̀nà kankan. Àmọ́ wọn kàn kó gbá wọn kàn máa lọ. Owó náà ń wá. Owó tán máa jẹ sápò ara wọn pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹbí wọn, nǹkan tán ń wá nù. Now all these Yoruba people wey be say dem smart, the youth are so much respect to the youth. They don't talk say this Afenifere people, they are not representing us, because say everything wey be say they happen, all the bad thing wey dey happen for Yoruba land, they know they talk put, you know they concern them. But if you don't reach money matter, na that time they go say then they represent. See wetin dey happen for Lagos market. Now so e dey start, oh my brother, my sister, make I tell una this thing wey happen, so no be because of say the Baba Jebu wey dem play. They just find one thing to take use to say na this thing make us strike, but na lie o. Now everybody need to wake up. The shuku Yoruba person, he enter easily. Yoruba people can't shook them, you know, enter. Meaning they don't prepare themselves, they don't ready for this war. We be say they won't cause it. My brother, my sister, we need to wake up. Still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting it be. Exactly waiting the people them they talk about. Well, my brother, my sister, now this one be the one we be say they reach us where I say make a let on know. Say all these people we then call themselves the Hausa Fulani. They don't dey everywhere now, either on a like them or not. These people, they don't prepare themselves. That is why all these things where they happen, and then now nobody they talk anything about them. Afenifere our market. Now so it can't be still on the matter. Meanwhile, my brother, my sister, if this not the first time we be say you dey join us onto this channel, I beg make you try, make you all up us to the share, subscribe, and they like it. Until I come on our way next time, my brother, my sister, I say on a bye for now.